Hi, I'm Kai Narezo from Flamenco Explained. We started this company because we know that you can learn flamenco guitar, and teaching flamenco guitar is what I do. Even though we're based in Spain and I learned flamenco in Spain, I teach flamenco in plain English. That does not mean that I water anything down. This is real, authentic flamenco that you will learn with Flamenco Explained. Our beginner course is designed to teach you everything you need to know to not just play real, authentic flamenco guitar, but to actually understand how it works. This prepares you for a lifetime of learning and playing authentic flamenco guitar. Our 7-day free trial will give you access to everything on our site, so go check it out. We know you can learn flamenco guitar, and we will show you how.